Amazon Fire TV gets a new, free tab. Amazon is adding a new, free section to Fire TV menu's top navigation bar to make it easier for customers to find free content across different sources. According to Amazon's blog post, the tab gathers content across free ad-supported streaming services and apps such as IMDb TV, Twitch, Tubi, Pluto TV, Crackle, the CW, the News app, Red Bull, PBS, and PBS Kids. The content present in the free tab will be refreshed regularly, and the media is curated across new, trending, and popular movies and TV shows categories. Most of the free tab consists of a collection of curated and thematic rows of movies and TV shows from our content providers. It also features a set of personalized, recommended rows of free movies and TV shows across categories like new, trending, and popular, as well as a dedicated row for news content powered by the News app on Fire TV, says the company. Apart from that, the free tab also lists unlocked content from streaming services and rows allocated for free kids and family content through Prime Video. Amazon says all these content adds up to over 20,000 free movies and TV episodes. As The Verge points out, Amazon's move to add a dedicated free section comes after one of its primary competitors in the US, Roku, added a similar option. However, Amazon doesn't let you hide the free tab just yet, while Roku does. The new free tab will be available for customers in the US starting today. We could expect it to expand to more regions in the near future.